Primarily we pack kiwifruit and avocados, and it's been an outstanding year. It's been the biggest year the industry's seen. Across our 2 sites we've packed in excess of 18.5 million trays of Class 1 kiwifruit this year. Our relationship with Dyno originally started at our Te Puna site. We had an issue that we needed to work through, which was carton erection and getting the boxes from the tray making erectors through to our packing line. Previously we were stacking our empty boxes onto pallets and moving them 5 to 10 metres, and that obviously used extra resource and was highly inefficient. We engaged Dyno and asked them to come up with a solution for us, see what concepts they could come up with. And this was relatively late in the year, this was October. Keeping in mind that our season starts in March, so there wasn't a lot of time there for Dyno to firstly concept, design and then commit to us in terms of putting a system in place that could help us. Scott from Dyno came and visited us to look at the problem we were trying to solve. Scott was great to work with through this period, very proactive. We discussed multiple options. Scott gave us the great commitment that he could definitely put in place this packaging line, and they delivered. And that's crucial for us, that we needed to hit the ground running in March. We couldn't be held up, we couldn't wait on people, we needed to be ready to go. We then had a bit of a greenfields build here at our Te Puke site, going from a single shed site to a double shed site. We essentially built one of the biggest sheds within the industry at the time. So we gave them our layout, what we were trying to achieve, and we wanted to build a little bit of contingency in there because our tray making machines, they do have a little bit of downtime where they need to refill the carton erectors with packaging. So it really does need to be fit for purpose, and Dyno could solve that for us in terms of looking at the footprint, discussing with us how they best thought the footprint would work and their design. And once again, the Dyno solution that's been put in place has well and truly proven itself to us. There's belts that drive the boxes to certain areas of the shed, and then there's also gravity-fed rollers within the shed. Again, cost effective, the gravity-fed rollers. Our boxes are fed on demand, so another great point to take from Dyno is they work collaboratively with our other suppliers. They were able to create software that would talk to our tray making machines and essentially drive the belts on demand as boxes were taken off the line. It would talk to the Dyno system, which would then communicate with the box erectors, and box erectors would start on demand as required. From concept to design to build, Dyno delivered really well. The concept was simple, but it was effective, and that's, as a business, as an industry, what we need. That's all we could ask for, and progressively then followed up with us with the new build at Te Puke, and throughout the year he'll give me a call to check in to make sure that there's nothing else we need, our lines are operating as they should. There's no inefficiencies that Dyno need to work on, just to make sure that we're in the best place possible, so we appreciate that support. From the initial design, the can-do attitude in terms of the short time turnaround in Te Puna, to again helping us through design and concept at Te Puke site. Yeah, credit to Dyno, credit to Scott. It's been a great company, great collaboration. We appreciate their help and support.